up, team!
On your six!
Shield up!
Thunder coming through!
Big one incoming!
Then we hit big!
Synchronize now!
Power surge!
That's teamwork.
Okay, almost done. And there! The last letter's purple.
Looks perfect to me.
And just in time for the
Welcome,
rainbow.
everybody! Come visit our...
Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we will be talking about our new video generation model Sora 2 that has been released by OpenAI last week. Sora 2 just dropped last week, which means we have a brand new leading AI video model in the mix. And honestly, I feel like I have been saying this every couple of days lately. It's everywhere, but Sora 2 really is remarkable, especially when it comes to replacing character. While it's mainly promoted as a tool for social media, it is clear how you could leverage it for commercial project too. One of the key to doing that effectively is API access, which allow us to integrate it seamlessly into our n8n workflow. And that's exactly what we are covering in today's video. I am going to share you two n8n templates using Sora. One is for text to video and another is for image to video. Along the way, I will show you how you can customize them for your own use and share the best practices for minimize Sora's 2 potential. Just a reminder, I will providing these templates for free. Head down to the comments and comment Sora 2. I will provide you the template without any cost. Now we will test our workflow. So we have take a phone submission node, and after that we will send our request to a third-party API services, that is the api.kai.ai, and we will create the video through api.kai.ai. So after that we will discuss how you can get the API and how to generate video with the help of Sora 2. So let's don't waste time. I will just click on execute workflow. Before that, I want to show you that I have made a prompt. With this prompt we will create our next video. So our prompt is create an exciting, colorful and dynamic 8-second animated short video depicting ancient human fighting wild animal to survive. The scene should be an action-packed but family friendly, showing bravery, teamwork and survival in the prehistoric environment. Include vivid landscape, expressive character and natural wildlife interaction, suitable for children and family. So now just copy this prompt and now I will go to my n8n workflow. So this is Sora text to video. I will click on execute workflow. Now you can see it asking me you need to provide your prompt that we just copy from there, and you can see the same prompt I have entered over here. Now I will click on submit. Let's see. Now you can see our AI agent is working and we have sent the request for generating the video via Sora 2 through api.kai.ai. We will wait little bit, we will get our video and then we will upload this thing into my Google Drive. So let's wait for some time. So we will discuss after this how you can create this workflow with the help of n8n. It's already 3 minutes past. When I test earlier, it took around 4 to 5 minutes for generating a video. You can see we have received some issue with the prompt that OpenAI's safety filter flagged this content as potential similar to the copyrighted material and the generation will be refused. So you can see with this prompt OpenAI is unable to create that video. So let's change that prompt and we will test with a different prompt. Create a thrilling, colorful and action-packed 8-second animated short video featuring superhero characters inspired by Avengers. The scene should be showcase epic teamwork, dynamic fighting poses. I will not go through line by line, so you can just read the prompt. Next we will check again whether our AI automation is working or not. So now I will click on execute workflow. Next I will just put the prompt, the same prompt that I just copy from the Google Sheet. Now I will click on submit. So let's see. So I will get back once our video is completed. So stay tuned. Now you can see The state is waiting. We have sent the request. Now our current state is waiting. That means our video is creating on the OpenAI end. Now you can see our video is generated successfully. We have received our video URL and the state is success. That means our video is generated successfully. So next you can see it took almost 7 minutes to generate the video and our video is downloaded and also uploaded in our Google Drive. So now I will play the video. You can see the video is already generated. Now we will check in our Google Drive to check whether our video is uploaded our Google Drive or not. So this is the video we have just received right now. The size of the video is 10 MB, 10.2 MB. So I will just click on the video. Let's see it is the same video or not. You can see. So here is the quick overview of what happened behind the scene. We provide our prompt via a form submission to grab our prompt and send a video creation request to via Kai API, which acts as a middleman to Sora 2. Kai API handles the request from multiple AI video providers. Then we loop through a check to see whether our video is ready or not. Once it's done, the video is downloaded and uploaded in our Google Drive. Now that you have seen the video, let's break down each module. So you can see we took a form submission node in n8n to provide or to send our prompt to kai.ai. So you need to just create a form and the field name will be the field name. I used prompt and you can see the response. Once you submit the prompt, your prompt will be this was my prompt. And next we have used a http node to send our request to kai.ai. So you just need to go to kai.ai and you need to go to the Sora 2 and from here you need to click on Sora text to video. After that you can click on run with API and you will have the whole documentation how you can create a video through kai.ai. Here it mentioned that this is the posting URL. So https colon api.kai.ai api/v1 jobs/create task and our header will be content type will be application JSON and you need to pass the authorization bearer your API key. So to get your API key, click on dashboard, then go to the API key and you can generate your API from create API key. You just need to copy the API key and next you need to click on send headers and the first parameter will be content type, the value will be application/json. You can see the first header will be the content type application JSON and second header part will be the authorization and the bearer token. So you can see I have input the authorization and my API key. So next, so in this node we have submitted the request to OpenAI for generating the video and next we used a same HTTP node but this time the method will be get to receive the request or to check whether our video is generated or not. You need to use the same credential, that is the header as content type application JSON and the name and the authorization with, along with the bearer. So you can see So once your video will be ready, you will get this JSON response, that is the state is success. Next I have used a if node, so it will check if the state, that is the response state, is equal to success, then it will go to our next step, and next it will download the video and upload in our Google Drive. And if it is false, that means if we received wait, or if we receive a response as wait, you can, if I click on the previous iteration, so you can see we received a state as waiting, that means it will goes into our false part. We use a wait node, and we will try after 1 minute. So until our video is generated and we received a success response from Kai AI, it will check in 1 minute interval. So once we received the success, you can see on the seventh iteration we have received the state as success. Then we use a code node to just segregate the video URL. You can see we have received the result JSON, and we received the URL of the video. We use a simple code node to just segregate the video URL, and you can see this is our video URL. Next I have used another HTTP request to download that video. The operation will be a get method, and the URL will be this, whatever what you have received from our previous URL, and you just need to drag the URL and put the URL in here and click on execute step, and you can see our video is downloaded from the OpenAI server, and you can just view this video, and you can also download this video. And our next node is a Google Drive node. So we use a Google Drive to upload the file in our Google Drive. The operation will be upload, and the input data field, that means this one, the name will be data and file name is data. You can change this file name to any other name. You just need to select your folder name, on which folder you want to upload the video. So when creating the video, quality does not affect price with the Kai AI HD or standard cost the same. It cost around 1 cent per second. You will need to have your Kai API key, which you can create from Kai dashboard. I have just discussed earlier, and use the bearer token to send with the header request. So in this video we have talked about how you can create a text to video with the help of Sora 2, and next we will discuss how you can generate video from image in our next video. I don't want to extend this video, so we will see on the next video. So till then, please hit subscribe, like and comment. So if you want to grab this template free, just comment Sora 2 in the comment box, and I will provide you this template. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.